I'm from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I live in Sonari and I'm currently studying in Standard 10 ICSE. My results came out at 10 in the morning. It was a Sunday. I got 98.81 percentage and my parents were so happy that I cannot express. For this year, my goal is to score at least 97 percentage in my ICSE semester 2 examinations. Byju's is playing a very important role in my studies. The visualization stuff which Byju's have in biology, which is never explained in school, the mathematical derivations which we are never taught by anyone else, Byju's teaches us, and the physics, how the nitty gritties of everything, how everything works, how everything is produced. There was certainly some understanding in history also, like the events took place, the series of the events, how they took place, the timeline, and it was never explained in my school. Byju's helped me with that. The main difference which occurs if I study with Byju's or without Byju's is certainly understanding. Byju's helps me to understand each and everything in great detail. What inspires me to work hard is that I always wanted to make my parents. My tips for the next set of students which are gonna come is that you don't really have to study 18 or 19 or 14, 15 hours a day. You can play, you can watch Netflix, you can enjoy with friends, but you have to set a fixed schedule in which you have to study and you have to always follow it. You have to cover your syllabus in times at par with the teachers which are teaching, and Byju's really helps in all of these.